Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the integration between Analog Way and ioversal Vertex. We are going specifically to see the implementation between the Analog Way WebRTC Aquilon control, the live premiere, and the proper device in Vertex. So I hope you enjoyed the video and let's start. So here you can see my project. I have one device, the Aquilon device. It is already connected here, is green. So what can I do with this device? I can recall memories of any kind, master and screen memory. Here I'm showing you that I recall in preview a screen memory, and then I can do the take for that specific screen. This is just one line command, but I can also have multiple line commands like these ones where I recall a master memory and I do the take for all the screens. And same here. You can see the commands here, you see. I recall the master memory in preview and then I take the screens. Then I can also manage the multi-viewers. So for example here I can recall a multi-viewer memory. The memory is here. I have some memories here. And I can also set all the inputs manually. So for example, here I'm setting the first inputs like this, and here I'm gonna set them in another way. Also here you see is a multiple line commands all shot at the same time. The Analog Way is very responsive with multiple commands like this. Not all the devices are like this, I have to admit. Then I can also manage the audio, and here I can, for example, in the output 1 and 2 route the input 1 and 2. I can route the Dante channels, and I can reset the channels. Same things I can do with the multi-viewer here. You see the multi-viewer changing here, and with the Dante that is here. 1 and 2, channel 9 and 10 from Dante, and reset. Then I also implemented the management of the timers. So the Analog Way have these beautiful timers implemented into the system. With a button I can just set the timer to 10 minutes. Then I can have other buttons to just increase or decrease the time. This is a very simple scripting. I have here just a variable that I set to 600, and the variable is this one, timer variable, and in the variable I have another script that is going, every time the value changes, is going to update the value on the Aquilon device. So device 1 dot timer set time. This way, in 3 minutes, I just create a timer and the possibility to manage it like this, and obviously to start it, put it in pause, and stop it. And now let's see the most interesting feature that we have here, that is the implementation of the custom Analog Way Json strings. So if you see here hours and minutes, this is a very special feature, for example, and with these two buttons I can switch between hours and minutes. This is done by using the strings that I can receive from the Analog Way interface. Any expert Analog Way operator knows where to find these strings for every action that happens inside the Aquilon control interface, the WebRTC. So any action is actually it's possible to implement any action with this very simple script, device1.send avj string, and then I put the string into a variable just for convenience of reading and parsing the data. That's it. I hope you like this implementation, and see you in the next video. Thank you again. Ciao ciao.